Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are discussing now. I am recording this for you also. Okay. We are discussing now the mechanism of even reaction. So important point is what? Breaking of C alpha Y takes place. There is bond. There should be bond. Second point you write. Second point, formation of formation of formation of carbocation as an intermediate. Formation of carbocation as an intermediate. Formation of carbocation as an intermediate takes place. Number third point you write. It is two-step reaction, or we can say it is a two-step process. And what you say for E2, it is a one-step process. E1 is the two-step process. E2 is the one-step process. So now, so these are the important. What is the rate? What you say about rate? Rate is equal to or depend on the concentration of, yes, only this substrate. Rate is depend on only the substrate, means only concentration of only one reactant, only one participant. What we say in E2, there the rate is depend on two participant or two reactants concentration. So these are the four important points. Let us go for the reaction. Okay. So see, when you take the example of this reaction, so let us go for this example. So see, have the same idea. See, this is what we have drawn before, or you can think that this is what we are using the. Why can be any living group? You can say iodine, bromine, it's halogens. Generally, we take halogen here. Okay, fine. When you take such reactants, this is alpha carbon and this is the beta carbon. This is the alpha carbon and this is the beta carbon. So apply the rule. Which bond is going to break? Yes, in this, what you say? Alpha bond, this bond, alpha carbon and Y bond. So this bond is going to break like this, and you just write water going to form, and we can write that. See, it is a reversible type reaction. We can say means Y will detach, again it will reattach. So we can write R CH CH2 is carbocation, and here it is a minus. Again, if attached to this, it will get minus. So this is a carbocation intermediate. This is what? This is the carbocation intermediate. This is the carbocation. This is the first step. We are saying it is a two-step. It is the first step in which the intermediate carbocation formed by the breakage of or breaking of C alpha and Y bonds. So this is the first step in which carbocation is generated. What will happen after that? After that, what will happen? This carbocation is a step 1. We can write the step 1 and step 2. What we see in step 2? The base will attack on this proton and will take that proton out. This bond shifted like this, and you can get like this alkene. We can get alkene like this, and this is what the final product alkene. And we know in elimination reaction, the alkene is the final product. So first stage is breakage of C alpha and this bond, leaving group bond. Second stage is what? Second stage is breakage of this CH beta carbon bond, beta carbon CH bond. Okay, and third stage is formation of double. Always remember this is the very slow step, and therefore it is called as RDS. rate determining step, and this is very fast step. Abstraction will take place very fast. This base, many bases are there that will take this proton and this bond shift like this, and ultimate the final compound is alkene formation. If you observe this mechanism, we will find that there is a step one, which is a slow or RDS, in which carbocation form from this substrate. Therefore, rate of reaction will depend on this substrate only. That is only one substrate. If it is more in concentration, more number of carbocation intermediate will form, and hence the rate of reaction, this product will form in the more. So this slow step is determine the rate, and therefore rate is dependent on only the concentration of this reactant. So this is what about the even reaction, or even means unimolecular. Is number one means unimolecular elimination reaction. So it is a second type of reaction after E2. We have discussed this. So E2 elimination reaction involve concerted mechanism. This E1 involve what mechanism? This this involve the formation of carbocation as an intermediate and involve two steps, while E2 is a one step. Similarly, rate depend on only concentration of only one reactant. E2 it depend on two reactants concentration, base and our alkylides suppose. And there is no formation of intermediate in E2 reaction. There is no formation of intermediate in E2 reaction, while here you can see there is a formation of intermediate, that is a carbon. Okay, it is just like SN2 SN1 reaction. Here, for our understanding, we have taken here this alkyl, but it is tertiary alkyl. Always remember, this carbon is always tertiary carbon.